Let's now find unknown side of the right triangle given two sides using Pythagorean theorem. Question is, calculate the length of each unknown side in the given right triangle. So the first one here, we have the hypotenuse given to us as 15, base of 12, and we need the height of the triangle. Well, we know the longest side is 15, so we can write 15 square is equals to sum of the two legs, which is y square plus 12 square, right? Now we can reorganize this formula and then find what y is, correct? So it becomes 15 square minus 12 square, and then to find y, we'll square root it, is equals to y. Now use the calculator and find the answer. So it is 15 square minus 12 square equals to 81, and square root of 81 is equals to 9, right? So that is equal to 9. So we get y equals to 9. So that is our answer, and we say answer is y equals to 9. Well, there are very few cases where you will have whole numbers as sides of the square. I'd like you to make a note of these triangles so that once you look at them, you will get an idea what the side should be. Now the other one is kind of similar. But in this case, what are we given? Well, we are again given the hypotenuse and one of the legs. So you can find the third side. So third side, x, should be equal to how much? It should be equal to square root of longest side, which is hypotenuse, 20 square, minus one of the legs given to us, square of it, square root, right? So that is kind of a shortcut now. So what you can do in Pythagorean theorem is, there is no need to always go through all the steps, right? If there's a multiple choice question, you can calculate fast, right? So we have 20 square minus 16 square equals 2, and then we do square root of this function and we get the answer as 12. So this is also one of those triangles where the sides are whole numbers, right? So let's make a note of these two triangles. So the first one here has got sides as 9, 12 and 15. The other one has side lengths of 12, 20 and 16. You will also note that if I divide these sides by their common factor, in this case 3 is a common factor, what do I get? I get each side as 3, 4 and 5. 3, 4 and 5 will also form a right triangle. It's a similar triangle where every side is 3 times lesser. Divided by 3, by a factor of 3. Now here common factor is 4. Let me divide by 4 and see what do I get. 4 times 3, 4 times 5 and 4 times 4. So again the sides are 3, 4 and 5. Do you see that? So these were kind of similar triangles. 3, 4 and 5 is a good set to remember. It always forms a right triangle, and its multiples will also form the right triangle. So that is the learning which we take from this. So try to remember this magic number 3, 4, 5, which always forms a right triangle. Thank you.